The third technique, percentage for columns. In the fluid technique that I said that we usually wrap elements that are supposed to be reorganized based on different screen size. The elements of this wrapper are our columns. In this example, our menu and the main section are supposed to be reorganized based on different screen widths. We wrap them in a container. Now we need to style them. How? Let's see. Okay, I copy this proposed style sheet. In the style sheet of my example, here this class actually must be applied on this wrapper. So instead of writing sub-wrapper, I type columns. Okay, by default, Flex Layout organizes the elements horizontally. That's why we have menu, and on its right side, we have the main section. Of course, we need to tweak this part if we want to have this organization. By changing flex direction to column, as you see, we could easily reorganize these elements. Let's keep it like this. Now we need to tune our menu. So here I changed the flex direction of the menu section to column, and then remove this declaration from A because we don't want to stretch the menu items. Also, it's good to increase the width of this this page, the wrapper, because we want to have this organization on wide screens, something like this. Now we have two columns. Let's remove the gap from here actually. So two columns are stuck together. Now we can apply these rules. Let's apply this one on the menu class and apply the second one on the main section. So as you see, we could split the space based on some rules. Let's change this, for example, to 70 and this one to 30. Or you can just assign a value for that, a fixed value. So always this part will remain 200 pixels, but the other side will stretch. But as you see, when we said 70%, it doesn't stretch after some points. You could just apply this class called on this column, which allows unlimited increase and decrease in the width of this column. Here we said that in this rule, it can shrink, grow, and by default, it doesn't take any space, and based on the available space, the browser will decide how much space should allocate it to this element.